Yes.
What's tonight been like for you?
It's devastation. It's devastation because when you hear that many roofs, many roofs of big buildings have been swept away by this tornado, you think about the people inside. It was around 5 o'clock on a Friday night. So you can imagine almost everybody was home. Young families, elderly people, and we will try to find a roof for everyone. It's almost 500 people. So this is a lot of work, and it won't be reconstructed like in hours. It will take days, weeks. So this is what we are trying to solve. The mayor, myself, I already talked to the people from the minister's cabinet, and we are trying to find some solutions, mid-term solutions, short-term solutions. Once again, people from the Red Cross Society are doing miracles tonight, and they're here to register everyone to make sure we can have the right number of people that need our help.
Okay.
And we're going to bring them water, food, and we'll see where we're going to install the beds.
Okay. And do you think that'll be here or
we
elsewhere?
don't know yet.
Okay.
This is one of the possibilities.
Gotcha.
And we were looking in the hotels in the surroundings, Ottawa, Gatineau, but there's nothing available. So there was one room available. So you can see here the number of people that have been expelled from their apartments and homes.
And when you say 500, then, is that 500 people who've been displaced?
We think it's between 350 and 500 and maybe more.
Wow.
Because even if you... Hey, salut, merci. Hein? Oui. And, you know, when the roof of a 5-floor building is swept away, all the people in the building have to...